Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Botcake. First, navigate to the Botcake website and log in using your Facebook account. This initial step grants Botcake the necessary permissions to manage your page's messaging. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which is your control center for all bot activities. Familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you'll build and manage your automated conversations. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now let's connect your Facebook page. From the Botcake dashboard, locate and click the Connect Page button. A list of your available Facebook pages will appear. Simply select the one you want your bot to operate on. It's crucial to grant all requested permissions to ensure Botcake can send messages, respond to comments, and manage your inbox effectively. Without these permissions, your bot's capabilities will be limited. This connection is the backbone of your automated messaging system. With your page connected, it's time to create your first automated flow. Head over to the Flows section and click Create New Flow. Start with a simple welcome message that new users will receive. You can personalize this message and add interactive elements such as buttons that lead to different options or quick replies for common questions. Think about what information your customers frequently seek. This foundational flow is essential for engaging your audience immediately. Before going live, it's vital to thoroughly test your bot. Send messages to your page as if you were a customer to ensure all flows and responses work as intended. Once you're confident, activate your bot, and it will start interacting with your audience automatically. Remember to monitor its performance and make adjustments as needed. Also, for those looking to improve their financial mindset, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.